Hey everybody, today's video is going to be like the most special video I have ever filmed to date. It is my YouTube channel's 10th birthday. So I have a couple little surprises that we're going to be doing today, so that'll be fun. We're gonna open a package from YouTube and we have a little treat to do at the end. But firstly, I just want to start off by talking about everything. So I created my YouTube channel on August 13th, 2015. It is now August 13th, 2025. 10 years. It's crazy. It's crazy that I've been posting on YouTube, I wouldn't say consistently, but like pretty frequently-ish for the past 10 years. I'm 22 now, so I made this channel when I was 12. There are videos on this channel that I made when I was 12, and they're probably terrible. So I just want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed, whether you've been here for 10 years or you just subscribed last week. Thank you to each and every one of you. There's only about 3,700 of you, which like isn't a whole lot in the scheme of YouTube and the fact that I've been doing this for 10 years. But if there was 3,700 people just standing in my house right now, that would actually be insane. Even just like in my backyard. And I've changed my niche so much. I do not post consistently whatsoever. So like, yeah, no wonder why I don't, why this channel hasn't brought greater success yet. Hopefully that'll change soon. I am working on posting more. I have so many video ideas, you guys. It is crazy. Also, that's one thing I'm curious about. Tell me in the comments down below when you subscribed. Obviously, you probably won't know an exact time, but if you subscribed in the beginning, like 10 years ago, or if you subscribed a few years ago or more recently, let me know. I'm really curious about that. But this channel, it's gone through so many niches and so many names, and I'm so ready to just finally niche down because that's what I need to do. I did start a second channel too. So my second channel is gonna be the one that's not niche down. So this one will kind of have, a more steady theme, but my other one is going to be mostly crafts and business related things. So they'll kind of have a niche, but that one will be a little bit more weird, whereas this one, we're gonna kind of stay on a similar theme. But I cannot believe it's been 10 years. And literally since like January, I've been planning on doing a whole big video for my channel's 10th birthday. And this is that video. I wanted to get a whole cake, but I can't justify that right now. We don't need a whole cake in this house. And also that's a lot of money, and I didn't have a lot of time to plan because I just kind of scrambled some stuff together this morning on a time crunch. But anyways, without further ado, let's open up this package. So if you guys didn't know, last year I had to move back into my mother's house. So the other day she goes, "Who is this for? What is this? What is this package you got?" I'm like, "Oh my gosh, that's my YouTube thing," because it doesn't have my real name on it. And also it's just like the label's really weird on it. But okay, I'm gonna put it over here so that I don't have to edit out the address. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, I guess I should show you too. Okay, it says YouTube. How do people do this? Okay, we're gonna, never mind, you don't need to see the dirty kitchen. Okay. Oh. This is why I'm not an unboxing YouTuber, because what was that? Okay. Here's a little, okay. Okay. So this is just like a little thing. And then, yes, okay. So this is the YouTube partner perks letter that comes with it. Okay, and it's got this little foam. And then we open it, and it is a YouTube clapperboard. So it just says channel, video, take, date, and it has the little pen, and it even says YouTube on the marker. Okay, so honestly, I don't know if I'll ever actually use this because this is so cool. Yeah, I'll probably never use it. I'll probably just like display it at some point. Oh, and it has like a magnet. I'm like so impressed by this little thing, but like, isn't this so cool? So yes, this is so cool. This is so fun. So is how I got this is, I think it's like YouTube's 20th birthday this year or something like that. So they did this YouTube partner perks thing, which I don't know if everybody gets that who has a channel, or if it's like a select group of people, or like what the deal is with that. But basically I got an email saying that I was in this partner perks thing to celebrate YouTube's 20th birthday, I believe. That might be wrong. I'm so sorry if it's wrong. But anyways, so one of their little things was they were giving away, I think, 1,600 of these little clapper boards, and you had to like I don't know, you had to click on a thing to like get it at a certain time on a certain day. So I did that, and immediately it was like, congrats, you get one. What's your address? So that was really fun. So I finally have my very first ever piece of YouTube anything. Now let's hope that the next YouTube box is a play button. It'll still probably be a few more years before that, but you know, you never know. So excited for this. Now let's get into the part I'm excited for. Granted, I can't really do much with this quite yet because it's gonna mess up my lipstick and I don't want to redo it quite yet. And I still need to film a couple more things. I know I should have filmed this at the end, but I just wanted to get this filmed like at the end of my filming day. But let's see, which side is the cutest? I think we're gonna go with this side. Okay. Also, do we know what YouTube thinks about fire? Can we have fire? Can we have lighters? Can we do cakes on YouTube? Okay. I was just worried that the wax was gonna drip down and burn my fingers, but there's our little cupcake. Ah. This is so, I love being an adult and I love having free will because I can just do a birthday party for my YouTube channel. Also, I really paid $4 for a cupcake, but it is pretty big. And then I paid 97 cents each for the candles. This is so fun. But also, I should have gotten different candles because they totally blend in. Or, I mean, this was the only cupcake they had, but this is so fun. I'm probably gonna keep these candles forever. Put them in my little YouTube shrine. And ooh, I can make like a little fake cupcake out of clay and make it YouTube themed and put the candles in it. Obviously, I'm gonna like clean them so they don't have food on them. But yes, my channel is officially 10 years old and that's insane. And you guys have watched me through literally so much of my life, and that's crazy. When I was younger, I didn't really make a lot of personal content though, so it's not like you guys really saw a whole lot because I was a minor and, you know, had to follow what my mom did and did not want me posting on the internet. But now I'm an adult and I feel like I'm going to overshare now. So yeah, that is that. Okay. Hey. I mean, I do think it was worth $4. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and eat the rest of this and then redo my makeup, I guess, and clean my face off. But that is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to see the next 10 years so that you can see my YouTube channel's 20th birthday party. I'll probably do one at 15 as well though, because like, you know, 10, 15, 20. And then we'll see if, you know, we still exist or if we've been taken over by robots in the next 20 years. So anyways, thanks for watching. Thank you for a great 10 years and another 10 more to come. See you in my next video. Bye.